Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find location of your friends. And first of all, it's important to go to left in the top, then scroll down, then tap on not sharing my location, and then you have to turn off your ghost mode and set it on my friends. Then turn off hide my live location, save. And from now, everyone can find us on the map. Then if we go to our snap map, you can see the map and you can find everyone in your country or on the world that is nearby in your place. This is literally how easy it is, and there's no other way how to find people quicker. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this a like, and thanks for watching.